Hello, everybody. I wanted to make another update and also share some advice that is useful for debugging. And I was going to show how I was going to go about that. But I recently made this dial right here. And now this is actually also deployed, which is pretty cool. And this one in production is showing how the dial is supposed to kind of work. Right now I'm working on a alert system task, trying to figure out how to make these alerts work exactly like I want. And while I was working on that, something messed up with this scroll, and you'll see here's the local one. Now it's just going back, and the alert's not showing. So that was a bug that I had fixed, and somehow I had committed this change, and I haven't pushed the change. It's still local, and what I'm going to do to find out where this was introduced, which is going to be very recent, within these 8 commits for sure. I'm going to go backwards by 1 commit at a time and just reload the page and see if that bug exists. And then once I find that commit, I can compare the 2 adjacent commits and see what was the problem that actually caused this to change. And I have a feeling it was because I was using AI to help me write some code and it changed something back. But to do that, to go backwards 1 commit at a time, you can use the checkout command, then head tilde, and I think you just put a number for how many commits back you want to go. But I just want to go 1 commit back at a time. So one thing about this though is that I have no changes pending. I don't think I can do this if I have any changes pending. So now it goes to this detached head state. I'm at 1 commit behind. That's loaded. Oh, so that commit was not right. I'm going back 1 more. Jeez. What the heck? Okay, interesting. If I ended up making a mistake and going past the commit that I really needed to, I could always go back. Let's see. What the heck? There it is. So I found this commit right here, and now I can examine it and see what changed to make that scroll not work like I wanted. But that technique could work for fixing a lot of different bugs that you fixed, and it's in your Git history. And all you need to do to figure out the bug, or one of the things that you could use, is to just go back in time with your Git commits. So now that I figured out what commit was the issue, I can do a comparison. And I wasn't sure how to do this in VS Code, so I actually just found this out, and this is amazing. So you have to see this. I click here, and this, I was wondering, is this input like a multi-select? And if you just click, it switches. But if you, I think, hold shift, it does that. But if I do control, I am now comparing the commit where I know things were working and my most recent commit. So I think I just found my bug, and this is something that I think AI did on its own. I don't know why I would have done that. Change this from 1 second to 10 seconds. So I'm going to make that fix. It looks like that was the issue. So I changed this back to 1000, which is 1 second. And error was from this class being removed too soon. So I make a vote, and now the bug's fixed.